Hey, let me show you how you can use Pendrive with the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. So first of all, you will have to navigate into the settings, then scroll all the way down, select About Phone, and now you have to find the software information and just keep tapping on the build number. Now when you've got this pattern confirmation or the password of your smartphone, just input it, then go back. And now when you scroll down on the main settings page, you can find the developer options. So from this, you have to actually scroll and enable the USB debugging. Click OK. And now you have to actually connect this pen drive into your USB-C port. And now you will have to go on this notification panel, select the USB storage and tap to open. And as you can see, from this you can find all of your data that is actually available on this USB storage. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.